The melting point of a substance is the temperature at which the material changes from a solid to a liquid state. During the melting process, the temperature remains constant. The boiling point is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of a liquid equals to the external pressure surrounding the liquid. The boiling point of a liquid depends on the atmospheric pressure, and the boiling point becomes lower as the external pressure is reduced.
Metals are dense, are good conductors of heat and electricity. They tend to be soft, malleable, and ductile, which means that they are easily shaped and can be drawn into fine wires without breaking. The most metallic metals are in the bottom left corner, and as you move toward the upper right on the periodic table, elements become less metallic in property.
High density of most metals is because of tightly packed crystal lattice of the metallic structure.
Metallic bonds are strong, which means that a lot of energy is needed to break them apart. Hence, the reason for having such high melting and boiling points. The attraction between the metal ion and delocalized electron must be overcome to melt or to boil a metal. Metal have high melting and boiling point because the attractive force to melt and boil metal are strong.
Zinc has the lowest melting point because all the elements that are in group 12 in the periodic table are all soft metals, which means that they don't require high temperature to melt or boil.
It takes a lot of energy to pull ions apart. The electrostatic interactions between cations and anions are very strong. The electrostatic interactions depends on the electronegativity.
The compound with lowest melting and boiling point is potassium iodide. This is because the distance between two ions is greater than other compounds. Therefore, it has lower force of attraction, which allows to break off and move easily. On the other hand, the highest melting and boiling point is magnesium oxide, which has less space between ions, so it is hard to break off. Therefore, it takes so much energy to break apart.
Molecular compounds occurs between two nonmetals and the boiling does not involve ions at all. They don't conduct electricity as well as other compounds.
Molecular compounds have low melting points because of the weak bonds. Those bonds can't hold the molecules together, which enables the compound to melt at a lower temperature.